Hi, everybody. My name's Amanda, and I'm the product manager at Reading Eggs. And I'm here with Stacey. Hi, Stacey. And we have both worked at Reading Eggs for a long time, and we love where we work. And we love that our core objective is to help parents out there be on the path of helping their children learn to read. And now more than ever, in these really strange times that we find ourselves, we just wanted to get online and help reassure you guys and offer you some assistance in using your parent dashboard and showing you a little bit of the features that you might not know are there to help you. Because if, like you and Stacey and I, we're a little freaked out at being at home with our children for that long and helping them along the way. Okay, we really wanted, so we should probably start with we're not really professionals on this kind of forum, but we are professionals at talking and we do know our product really well. So we're going to give you that little bit of bear with us. We really just want to show you, today we just want to start by showing you through the additional resources you already have access to in your parent dashboard. So I'm going to just go to sharing my screen right now. And now we are over here. I am now showing you what your parent dashboard would look like when you're logged in. Now, you might have any different combination of subscriptions. Over here, what I'm showing you, I have a reading subscription. So I have access to Reading Eggs Junior, Reading Eggs, Reading Express, and Mathseeds. So if, depending on what product you want to go into, you'll see up here is the almighty bonus material. Now, I'm going to show you what is over here. If you click in. Okay, so here, if you start having a look, these are amazing. So I think we should first also throw in your teachers are going to provide you a framework of what they want your kids learning. I know in different regions it's going to be different, but they will be telling you and supplying you with the necessary items that you're going to need to teach your children. We just want to help you feel like you're a part of the journey. Yeah, and you know, there is going to be more hours than you're used to, so something else to do. So we'll start with over here. Each of your lessons over in the maps have, in Reading Eggs, we have these color activity pages. These are great. Stacey has 2 young girls, so I'm sure she knows all about using these.
Yes, and they love these. These can keep them entertained for a long time.
They are great. I mean, we've got colouring aspects here, but also really importantly, you know, little things like practicing letter formations and the sounds, and just little things that you can do extra with your child to reinforce what they're learning in the lessons. Now, this is the almighty. These were originally created for teacher classroom use, but we did do a version of them for parents to help you use the product at home. Now, depending what region you're in, you will see we have a lot of different teaching activities here. Just some fun things you might be able to do with the kids.
Just good ideas to do some different things, even if it's not, you know, with the same letter. You can just go, find the things, and they'll love collecting things from your house as well.
Yeah, there's all different stuff. So these should keep you and your child entertained and learning whilst you are at home.
Trying to work or trying to rest.
Now, that covers Reading Eggs. Now, I think you all know Reading Eggs. A lot of you probably use that product. It's the learning to read stage. You might have some of your older kids at home now and are probably more lost on how to help and be a part of their learning journey. Reading Express is a huge component of the reading journey, and there's a lot to go into, but we won't go into that now. Right now, we just want to show you some additional resources you can do to help your child when they're at home. And if you're in Reading Express, you've got a huge online library. Again, we'll go into that another time. But over here, if you click on Reading Express, you have comprehension lessons for all of the lessons. In your maps, you have if you keep scrolling down, they're the comprehension. In the Reading Express area, you have the English skills section and the spelling. These are all spelling worksheets. They go through a word list that we do in the lessons and have additional activities over here. A little bit of look, cover, write, check. I'm sure some of us of a certain generation remember look, cover, write, check. I think they, yeah, it's
Yeah,
always
they
good.
still do.
Because it was essential to learn. And lastly, if you have a maths subscription, over in your maths tab, again, you've got homeschool worksheets to use at home, looking at how to teach different aspects of the numbers that the students are learning, or also some additional materials that you can do with them about recognizing and counting. You also over here have just the fun color activity pages. Again, that's probably maybe where you want to stick to at the moment. But yes, again, these are more great color worksheets that you can use. So, I mean, Stacey, can you think of anything else right now that could be helpful if you're using it at home, right, with your kids running around?
Running around would just be to get these worksheets printed off and to calm them down and get them working on that. The little ones can even just be colouring parts of it in. And the lessons themselves, of course. If you have them on the lessons for any of those things, they're always going to be beneficial, and the kids have a good time.
That's right. Also, you know, if you're in here and you're looking at the bonus material, click on it. You've got some additional reward map things you can print out, and it makes for, you know, extra motivation. You can cross off as you complete lessons. You've got some lesson overviews. Again, I'm pretty sure your teacher's going to be providing the solid stuff they want your kids to be working on. There is so much more here, though, if you want to go and dig. And a parent user guide. That's, you know, we made it with so much love. We'd love it if you were using it. So I'm pretty sure, like, we are talking to you all. You have existing accounts, so we just want to help you make the most of them, and
point you to things that you might not yet know about that will only benefit you and your children.
Reading Eggs.